In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new credit or debit card to your Shopee account. Whether you're new to Shopee or just need a refresher, we'll cover each step clearly to ensure that you can make your online shopping experience as smooth as possible. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open up your Shopee dashboard. You can do this by opening your web browser and navigating to the Shopee website. Once you're there, you'll typically be logged into your account. If not, just go ahead and enter your credentials to sign in. Once you've successfully landed on the home page, you're ready to proceed. Now, you're looking for your username at the top right corner of the screen. It should be visible as it's generally on the top navigation bar. Click on your username, which will lead you to a drop-down menu. Here, you'll see a variety of options related to your account settings. We want to focus on accessing detailed information related to your Shopee profile. So, from this menu, you'll want to select My Account. Once you find yourself on the My Account page, look towards the left side of the page. Here, you'll see a menu of different options related to your account's personal information and settings. Among these options, you'll need to look for Banks and Cards. Clicking Banks and Cards will bring you to the section where all credit and debit cards linked to your account are displayed. Now, you'll find yourself in the Banks and Cards section. This is where any currently linked payment methods are listed, or it may simply state that none are linked yet. In this area, scan for the option that allows you to add a new card. It might be a button or a link typically labeled as Add New Card. This is the gateway to inputting your card details. Clicking on Add New Card will navigate you to a new page. This is where you'll fill in the essential details of the card you wish to add. Be prepared to enter information like the card number, expiration date, and CVV, which you'll often find on the back of your credit or debit card. Double-check your card details to ensure there are no errors, as this might hold you up later when trying to complete a purchase. Once confident that everything is entered correctly, you're ready to finalize the process. Simply click the Submit button, often located at the bottom of the page. After a moment, your new card will be successfully added to your Shopee account, and you'll see a confirmation message. And that's it. You're done. You've now added a card and are ready to dive into the myriad of shopping adventures awaiting you on Shopee. Happy shopping, and